Meaning of four-poster bed.
Four-poster bed.
Four-poster bed.
Four-poster bed.
Four-poster bed. A four-poster bed is a type of bed that has four tall posts, one at each corner, that support a canopy or frame above the mattress. The posts can be plain or decorative, and the canopy or frame can be made of fabric or wood. Four-poster beds are often associated with luxury and grandeur, and were popular in the past among the wealthy. Today, they are still used in some hotels and homes as a statement piece or to add a touch of elegance to a room.